don't know if you guys are going to understand the seriousness about what you're about to listen to, but don't worry, because I'm going to explain it.
Asylum in se is a concept long viewed as appropriate in law, that there's some things that are so fundamentally evil that they have to be protected against. Now, I think, and your answer below, I'm going to give you a chance to say if you stay by it. If the president decides that his rival is a corrupt person and he orders the military or orders someone to assassinate him, is that within his official acts that for which he can get immunity?
It would depend on the hypothetical, but we can see that could well be an official act.
It could, and why? Because he's doing it for personal reasons. He's not doing it like President Obama is alleged to have done it, to protect the country from a terrorist. He's doing it for personal gain. And isn't that the nature of the allegations here? That he's not doing these acts in furtherance of an official responsibility. He's doing it for personal gain.
I agree with that characterization of the indictment, and that confirms immunity, because the characterization is that there's a series of official acts that were done for an unlawful.
No, because immunity says even if you did it for personal gain, we won't hold you responsible. How could that be?
Now, the case that's being heard within the Supreme Court from Donald Trump's attorney, John Sawyer, and the rest of the Supreme Court is a presidential immunity and election interference. Now, Justice Sotomayor stated to Donald Trump's attorneys, if the president orders someone to be assassinated, his rival, i.e. his counter to his campaign, is that within his official act, which can get immunity? Donald Trump's attorney replies and says, it would depend on the hypothetical, but we can see that could be an official act. The importance that you guys need to take away from this entire video is that if and when Donald Trump ever becomes president again, he is stating very clearly he will be the last president that you will ever get, because he will use every single ounce of his presidential duties if and when he ever gets elected again to make sure that any of his opponents, right, are dead. And please do not come into the comment section saying if he does get reelected again, it doesn't matter because he doesn't get another reelection. He's going to make sure of that. He is going to make sure of that.